Welcome to 2-Minute Programming with Fred, where I show you how to do programming in 2 minutes or less. Today, we're going to install the Salesforce CLI, commonly used with scratch orgs and DX projects. However, later, we'll use it with the sandbox. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Google, and I'm going to type in Salesforce CLI. And I'm going to pick the first result here at the top, Salesforce CLI, Salesforce Developers. This will come up with a page with the different options for different operating systems. You can go ahead and pick the one that you need. I'm going to install the Mac OS since that's what I'm running on. Once it's downloaded, I'm going to go ahead and open that and install the package. I'm just going to step through here. This is pretty easy to do and pretty fast. Once it's all installed, I'm going to switch over to my command line interface on my computer. And I'm going to type in sfdx space force and hit enter. This is going to show me this DX cloud and a few links at the bottom. This tells me that the sfdx CLI is installed and working on my computer, and I'm ready to go. This has been 2-Minute Programming with Fred. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.